Let's make egg Irani chicken. It's the best chicken dish you can make, so let's make it.